package. I got a package. Hey guys, what's good? My name is Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys can see, I'm in my bed today, but even more important, I have a package. I got a package. It's a little bit beat up, but nevertheless, it's the package I've been waiting for. So, before I open up this bad boy, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I post videos 2 times a week on beauty, luxury, and fashion. Also, if you like unboxings like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And last but not least, if you don't want to miss when I upload, please feel free to hit the notification bell. I'll wait while I do those 3 things. Me and my box will just sit here and wait. Seriously though, so I do have my address hidden, and I already used my trusty scissors to open the box. Inside so far, I just have found a note from The Real Real. I did buy this bag pre-loved, and it basically just has some information about their consignment process. I do have the receipt, and without further ado, let's get to the box. So, lots of bubble wrap to protect my baby, and then just some black tissue paper. And this is the bag, and then in the box is just more tissue paper and stuffing. I'm so nervous. I don't think this one came with the box. I think it's just the dust bag. Yeah, it's just the dust bag. And then this one, it does, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it does say The Real Real on this white dust bag. If I can open it. They like tied it. I don't understand what they did. Okay. So, as you can see, the item that I got is Louis Vuitton. And I'm so sorry about the lighting. I feel like my ring light is being really weird right now. And the bag that I got is the Speedy 30 bandolier in monogram. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's nice. It has a really nice patina to it already, and I'm just kind of inspecting it right now. For like any stains or liquid marks on the patina. It does have a little, like it has marks here on like where the actual bandolier strap, just from where you know that somebody had it on a shorter strap, but I mean that doesn't bother me. The strap is in really good condition. The vachetta all the way around looks really good. Like there's one little, like, you can barely see it, like spot here where it's just a little bit darker, but that, for how much I saved on this, like I'm cool with that. No smell at all. Like it smells really good actually. Oh my goodness, this is the perfect size. Okay, so I debated between a 25 and a 30. I looked at so many videos. I do want to give a really quick shout out to Luxury Lover. I don't know if it's just Luxury Lover, or I know on Instagram she's Luxury Lover 777, but literally today she just posted a comparison video between the Speedy B25 and the Speedy B30, and I'm like, that was the perfect video. But yes, I scoured YouTube looking at different comparisons. I was really torn between the 25 and the 30. I have a lot of small bags, but I really needed just like a really good size bag, so I ended up going with a 30. Plus I found this at such a good price. Okay, so I'm gonna look inside. As far as the hardware goes, it is like oxidized for sure on the lock right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I know that you can get like barkeeper's friend and you can kind of spruce those things up. The zipper's okay. I'll probably do some wax paper. It's a little stiff. Okay. website. They just have it stuffed with more like air paper. I'm actually really glad they stuffed it, because I'll just use this to stuff my bag when I store it. Okay, so the inside is like a brownish color. I actually thought it was going to be that red color. It does have one mark in the inside, but besides that, it's really clean. It smells good, actually. Like, it's so random. I like the smell. It doesn't have a zipper. It's just got like a little pouch. So I actually thought it would have a zipper pocket, but again, that doesn't bother me. I do see the date code, so I'll have to look up the date code. But I'm really happy with this. I did buy a bag organizer today, so I won't have it today. It'll come in the mail probably in a few days. It does have the tag by The RealReal, so wow, this was really discounted. So let me just talk about pricing a little bit with you all. I'm trying to find the receipt. So it has on this tag, according to this tag, guys, the estimated retail for this bag is $1,450. So that's if like you were to go on the Louis Vuitton website, that's how much you would pay. So The RealReal had this bag discounted to $1,295. But even for me, that's too much. Like, if I'm going to spend that much, I would rather just splurge and just buy it brand new. So I purchased this bag for $895. I thought that that was just a steal. I mean, even looking at it for that price, I mean, it's gorgeous. Oh, there is a mark on the handle. A little mark. It actually almost looks like it's rubbing off right now. So I will do a little bit of research to see what that's from. Yeah, I can't tell what this mark is from. Can y'all see that? Ugh, sorry about, yeah, hopefully y'all can see that, but it's a little bitty mark on the vachetta. Honestly, so I'll be 100% with you as to why, like, I really don't care about that at all. So in order for anyone to see that, I would literally have to be carrying my bag like this or like this, and you probably still wouldn't notice it. But most of the time, this handle is going to be down like that, and I'm probably going to be using the bandoliers. So to be honest, like, that even still doesn't bother me. For the amount of money that I saved, I'm cool with that. So I'm just kind of like popping it out a little bit right now. Okay, so this is the bag kind of like popped out, I guess. It's nice. I was afraid that it would be too big, but it's not. It's perfect. Like, it's perfect. Okay, so I will do some mod shots. I feel like the bag just needs to be like on screen at all times. So I will do some mod shots with this bag. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I think the patina, it's a very nice, honey, beautiful patina. All the hardware looks good. The inside is nice and clean. Just stellar condition for the price. Like, I'm shocked that they could sell it at this price and that I was lucky enough to get it at this price. I'm just very happy. My experience with the RealReal was fine. Like, I didn't have any issues with it. The bag definitely came a lot sooner than they said it would. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to show you all what fits in here. I can't wait to show you if I put any like luggage tags or any bag charms or anything like that on it. And then of course I can't wait to style it and do some styling videos with you all. I will update you on which bag organizer I decide. I have also been doing a ton of research on bag organizer videos. I'm a YouTube junkie, and maybe you guys are too, so I hope you guys do like my videos that I will have. But yes, this is actually my first like designer like bag. Like my first bag probably technically would be the Pochette Accessoire, but this is like, you know, a big girl bag. I also went back and forth between getting the monogram or getting the Damier Ebene, and after watching 408 California 408's video when she showed her monogram Speedy B in the 25, I was absolutely 100% sold that I needed to get the monogram, and I'm so happy that I did. Like, it's beautiful, and it's like, it feels good. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like I can feel the quality. So yes, thanks so much guys for tuning in to my unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Speedy B30 in the monogram. It still feels so unreal that this is my bag. This is my bag. I now have a Louis. This is crazy. I do have another luxury reveal coming up. It is a pair of shoes. It's my first pair of luxury shoes, so I'm very excited about that, and I can't wait to reveal that. And so if you guys want to make sure you do not miss it, again, please make sure you have the notification bell hit and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thanks again guys, and remember to be good to yourself.